Etsy dropshipping has taken the e-commerce world by storm, allowing entrepreneurs to make thousands of dollars a month without ever stocking inventory. Some sellers are generating over $155,000 monthly, all while running their business from a laptop. However, while the business model sounds easy, one wrong move, like choosing the wrong niche, can leave you struggling to make even a single sale. Picking a profitable niche is critical, and avoiding bad ones is just as important. Understanding which niches to avoid and which ones can help you scale is the key to success. This video will walk you through the worst niches that could tank your business, the best strategies for running a successful Etsy shop, and how to make the Etsy algorithm work for you. Why choosing the right niche is crucial for Etsy's success. Many beginners believe that selling a wide variety of products in one shop is the best way to maximize sales. However, Etsy's algorithm favors focused, well-structured stores that cater to a specific audience. Picking the right niche ensures that your shop attracts the right customers, appears in search results more often, and increases your chances of making consistent sales. A strong niche also helps you build credibility, as customers are more likely to buy from a shop that specializes in a particular category, rather than a store that looks like it's trying to sell anything and everything. Niches to avoid on Etsy. One of the biggest mistakes Etsy sellers make is trying to sell everything under the sun in one shop. A store that offers t-shirts, mugs, posters, stickers, and phone cases with random designs is bound to fail. Customers are drawn to shops that appear professional and well-curated, not ones that resemble a chaotic discount store. Imagine if a salesperson knocked on your door offering solar panels, life insurance, and pest control services all at once. You'd slam the door immediately. That's exactly how customers feel when they come across a messy Etsy store that lacks a clear focus. Another mistake is choosing a niche so specific that it unintentionally limits the audience. Selling anime t-shirts exclusively might seem like a great idea, but it significantly restricts potential customers. Etsy's core demographic is more interested in handmade, vintage, or artistic products. While anime designs can work, a shop that only sells anime apparel is unlikely to reach a broad audience. A better strategy is to create anime-inspired designs, but also expand into other sub-niches like gaming, movies, and pop culture, increasing reach and preventing the shop from being too niche-specific. Another pitfall is selling products that belong on eBay, rather than Etsy. Etsy is known for its handcrafted, high-quality, and aesthetically pleasing products. If a store sells generic or mass-produced looking items, it will struggle to make sales. Customers visit Etsy expecting unique and artistic pieces, not products that look like they belong in a clearance bin on Amazon or eBay. For example, mass-produced graphic tees with basic prints may perform well on eBay, but Etsy shoppers are looking for something more artistic, personalized, or vintage-inspired. To succeed, sellers need to offer designs that fit Etsy's brand aesthetic. Additionally, choosing a niche that limits growth can be detrimental. Successful Etsy shops often have hundreds, if not thousands, of listings, and if a niche prevents a seller from listing a wide range of products, scaling the business will be difficult. For example, if a shop only sells t-shirts with gardening quotes, the options for creating new designs are very limited. However, expanding to gardening-themed tote bags, posters, mugs, or digital prints makes the store far more scalable. More listings mean more visibility in Etsy's search results, leading to more potential sales. Building a brand too soon is another common mistake. Many beginners assume that launching their own brand with a unique logo is the best way to gain traction, but this approach rarely works in the beginning. Customers don't go on Etsy searching for a brand they've never heard of. They search for specific products that match their needs. Building a brand takes years and a strong social media presence. Instead of focusing on branding from the start, it's better to sell products that people are actively searching for. Once a store gains traction, then branding elements can be introduced. Additionally, choosing a non-scalable niche that requires too much effort can prevent long-term success. A major advantage of Etsy dropshipping is that it allows sellers to earn money passively. However, some niches require so much hands-on effort that they become difficult to scale. If every sale requires manual customization, personal interaction, or significant production time, growing beyond a certain point will be challenging. A scalable business either allows unlimited products to be sold without increasing workload, such as print-on-demand or digital downloads, or enables sellers to charge a premium price for their time, such as high-end custom portraits. If a product takes time to create but isn't priced high enough, it quickly hits a limit on how much can be earned, making it an unsustainable niche. Winning strategies for Etsy dropshipping. There are two successful approaches to Etsy dropshipping: a product-based store or a theme-based store. A product-based store focuses on one specific type of item, such as mugs, t-shirts, or candles, but offers multiple design variations to appeal to different customers. On the other hand, a theme-based store revolves around a particular interest, such as pet lovers or vintage aesthetics, and sells multiple types of products that fit within that theme. The key to success is picking one strategy and sticking to it. Having a shop with a confusing structure will only hurt your chances of growth. Another powerful strategy is leveraging trending niches. The fastest way to make sales is to tap into what's currently in demand. Trends change frequently, and staying ahead of them gives sellers a major advantage. For example, AI-generated pet portraits have gained massive popularity on Etsy, and sellers who jump on trends early are more likely to achieve quick success. Researching trending products by analyzing Etsy's bestseller lists and checking out new stores that are already gaining traction can provide valuable insights into the hottest niches. Creating more listings is also a crucial tactic for increasing visibility. More listings mean more chances to appear in search results, but that doesn't mean flooding your shop with low-quality designs. Instead, a smart approach is to create multiple variations of your best-selling items. For example, if you sell pet portraits, offering versions for different breeds, colors, and styles can dramatically increase your shop's exposure. A single product idea can easily be expanded into dozens of listings by making small variations that appeal to a broader audience. Optimizing for Etsy's algorithm is another important factor in ensuring long-term success. It's not just about selling great products, it's about making sure they rank well in Etsy's search results. To do this, sellers need to use high-quality images, keyword-rich titles, and detailed descriptions. A strong title should include keywords that potential customers are actually searching for. For instance, instead of naming a product simply "funny mug," a better title would be "personalized funny coffee mug for dog lovers, custom pet gift," which increases its chances of appearing in relevant search queries. Finally, collecting reviews early on can make a significant difference in a shop's success. Customer reviews play a crucial role in Etsy's ranking system, and stores with higher ratings are more likely to appear in search results. To get initial reviews, sellers can offer discounts to friends and family, or provide incentives for customers to leave feedback. Positive reviews build trust with potential buyers and significantly improve conversion rates, making them a vital part of growing a profitable Etsy shop. And that's a wrap on mastering Etsy dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, don't just sit there, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider tips. Got questions or crazy Etsy stories? Drop them in the comments. I read them all. Until next time, keep hustling and turning clicks into cash.